Hello everyone and welcome back. After decluttering two major storages in the living room, it was time for another big declutter. But before that, if you haven't watched the previous video, please do check it out. It is super therapeutic and helpful. Coming back to my today's task, which is decluttering the wardrobe. Well, I do this once every year. I segregate clothes based on their condition and use. This includes mine, Rhythm's, Ashwin's clothes, bed sheets, towels, almost everything that we have stopped using. The worn out and damaged clothes are repurposed as cleaning cloths and dusters, but the ones that are in decent condition are donated. This time I've decided to also declutter Rhythm's toys as she doesn't play with most of them. Kids, however, take time to understand the idea of donation and don't easily agree to give away their toys. When Rhythm was too small, I would simply do it on my own. But now, when she has an account of almost everything that belongs to her, I didn't want to give away the toys without her knowledge. Rhythm has turned 4 now, and I have been discussing this with her for a while. I wanted her to willingly pick the toys that she would be fine with donating. I waited for almost a year till she was ready for it. And finally, she agreed this time to let some of her toys go. I'm not sure if she understands the importance of this right now, but surely knows why and where are her toys going. Moving on to some other chores of dusting and cleaning. The kitchen trolleys have accumulated dust and stains which I decided to clean this day using my homemade water and vinegar solution for the same. Regular cleaning of such surfaces in kitchen helps me save time and energy. Any surface in the kitchen tends to turn sticky if not cleaned for too long, and cleaning it at such a condition requires a lot of time and energy. In my case, cleaning it monthly once works just fine. Mirrors are known to create an illusion of bigger space. In small homes like mine, they play a very important role. But at the same time, a dusty and blurred mirror spoils the entire look of the space. Just 5 minutes of dusting weekly once is what I follow to maintain them. It's now time to clean the white doors. The beauty that these white doors add is worth appreciating, but at the same time, they also demand maintenance. However, it's not as difficult as it sounds when tackled regularly like any other chore in the house. I clean these doors once in every 2 months and they just do fine. It's one of those days when I don't have a lot to cook for lunch, so I utilize my time in these extra dusting and cleaning jobs. I always choose such days and plan for them prior. This way, I end up finishing up my chores on time without compromising on my other duties. We went to Mr. DIY the previous day and got a few things which I wanted to share with you all. The first thing I picked is this metal fruit basket. I've been looking for something like this for our weekly stock of fruits. It's decent in size and looks stylish. Goes quite well with my decor too. I'll soon share how I'm using it in one of my upcoming videos. Next are these plastic organizers. I'm going to use them in multiple ways. They were quite cheap and I could literally think of 10 different spaces where I needed them. There's nothing very fancy about them, just that they are super useful. Next, I found this super interesting artificial plant which looks like a ball. I loved its quality and decided to give it a try. Next are these two little cute artificial succulents. I like the quality of the planters. One is ceramic and the other is stone like. Next is this bottle that comes with water level markings which pushes you to drink enough water. Looks like a useful purchase. Well, now that the sun appeared bright outside, I decided to bring some plants indoors. I usually can't do it as most corners don't receive ample light in my house, which doesn't allow plants to survive indoors. This change in the decor has uplifted the mood of the room. I feel plants are the best decor pieces in any home. It's snack time and today I've decided to prepare beguni, which is a popular Bengali snack. It's a super simple yet extremely delicious dish made of eggplant or bangan, sliced and dipped in gram flour batter before being either fried or deep fried. Every time there's a new dish to try, the investigation and fuss is a must. As a born and brought up in Bengal, such dishes bring me nostalgia. I try to keep up with the authentic recipes and introduce rhythm to the flavors I have grown up with.
Very good. Chai and beguni. Huh?
Chai and beguni.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
I ordered a kurta set from Meesho a few days ago. It has finally arrived and I'm so excited to try it. I love the dupatta and also the fabric looks fine just as I expected. The sleeves are available in case you don't want to wear it sleeveless. When I saw the pic of this set, I loved its color and especially the dupatta. It's a very sober yet smart piece. I usually prefer attires that are not very blingy, so this goes exactly with my taste. The length of the pant is quite long, so I had to fold it at the waist. So for the tall girls, it's just perfect. The link of the kurta set is available in the description box. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. Do let me know what do you think about this kurta set. Don't forget to like the video before you leave. Also subscribe the channel if you enjoy watching such simple yet fulfilling vlogs. You can suggest some topics that you would want me to talk about in my upcoming videos. On that note, I'll wrap up this video and see you next week. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye-bye.